Hey guys, how you doing? Today is Tuesday, October 8th. I am just in the car. Here comes Bryn. She just wrote her exam for one of her online courses here at the University of Calgary. We have a snowy day and she doesn't understand slush, so she's probably going to step in some when she comes into the car here. Watch the slush.
It's a whole puddle.
I know. How'd you do? Good. Were you warm enough? How do you like winter? Fun, huh?
It's not winter.
I know, yeah. How do you like fall? So that market mall is like 2 minutes from here. So I walked around in there and I went to Toys R Us, which is still alive and well. And I looked at the Lego and the are you warm enough? And the Playmobil. Put your gloves on.
No.
You refuse to give in to the snow. And then as I was walking through the mall, I got a text from my friend Lisa. My friend Laurel died.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You were just talking about
I know. Dad was gonna go visit her. So my friend Laurel that I met in grade 7 just passed away this morning. When I went to Annette's for her Halloween party a few years ago, Annette had invited her and my friend Lisa to come hang out with me at her party. So yeah, she had cancer. So I was very sad in the mall and I sat down and had a little cry, and then I went to Colonel's and bought a bag of caramel popcorn to eat my feelings. And then I went to the Disney store. I went to my happy place. How many people were there for your exam?
What do you mean? No one here is from SFU.
So you were the only one in there?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, the exam isn't this. I don't go to this school.
No, I know, but I thought there might be other kids. So Bryn is doing online courses. So today she had the exam for one of her courses, and so they have a proctor here at the University of Calgary. So she was able to write her exam here, which is really cool. And then you've got another one in a couple weeks that we'll come back for. Well, I think my child is a little peckish. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know, but Carrie's gonna be mad.
No, I told her that we'll be on time.
I know, but before I went in, she's like, do it quick so I don't have to walk to the line.
Oh, did she? No, I texted her a few minutes ago and she said she's just going to stay at the school. There's Harvey's. Do you want to try Harvey's?
No.
It's a good thing.
No.
Isn't that their slogan?
I went there once, it was disgusting.
You don't like Harvey's?
It's like a burnt.
Yeah, they're like charred.
No.
Really? So where would you like to go, princess? Where would you like to eat?
I don't know. I'm so hungry.
Are you hungry?
It's cold.
Are you cold?
It says it's like, it feels like 10.
Yeah.
Fahrenheit.
No, it's chilly. It's actually not bad now. The snow is kind of stopped.
Even in the mall. I had to walk outside just now.
Oh my goodness. Are you okay? right? Oh my god, you gotta walk outside. Dude, I had to walk to school like miles in this.
Look,
I never had my
everyone's wearing Vans.
mummy come pick me up.
Everyone has Vans on.
I know. Well, they're Albertans.
That doesn't mean anything. So
They're tough, strong individuals. I know they should own boots. That's really ridiculous. One of my viewers mentioned you should transfer to Calgary, University of Calgary.
I don't know.
You're just not good at decision making.
I know, but like,
this year.
I thought I'm gonna like school here.
No, but you'd be
It's
close
just-
to your mummy so she can drive you around places. So
I know,
God
but-
forbid you don't have to walk outside. No, she's considering it, but she's also returning to Simon Fraser too. Are you missing Simon Fraser?
With the snow, yeah.
Yeah, the weather's much better in BC. Bryn is very confused with the weather. What do you call snowing, Bryn?
Snow. I call snowing, and then there's pouring snow.
She keeps saying
It makes sense. Kerrigan will say the same thing. She'll come in the car and say it's pouring out.
Okay, we won't say anything and just see if she says it's pouring snow.
It is. Because it's heavy and like aggressive and it's like it looks like it hurts.
And what is freaking you out about the cars?
The little slush icicles that are dirty under the trucks. Snow.
This is the pouring snow of which she's referring to. Here she comes. Oh, your backpack's in the way. She's gonna be pissed. Oh no, she gets behind me. Hey! Merry Christmas.
Stop, that actually made me like happy.
It made you happy? Sorry, I didn't mean to make you happy. So Kerrigan, what kind of snow is this? What kind of snow is this? Is this heavy snow? Like, what do you call this? Just snow?
It's dense, it's thick snow. It's not pouring, but it's thick.
Doing a great job.
I learned to do up here first.
Yes.
I did the stairs before.
Yes.